This short video is part of the 6 SAVA project dissemination activities.
Today we are going to learn the core concepts behind a technology-based firm.
Turning research into market-ready solutions is a critical pathway for advancing innovation and creating value. One of the most effective approaches is the establishment of technology-based firms, which transform innovations developed within academic or research environments into commercially viable enterprises. However, creating a successful startup requires more than technical validation. It demands a comprehensive approach that integrates business fundamentals with scientific progress. By understanding these pillars, organizations and entrepreneurs can bridge the gap between innovation and commercialization. Traditionally, the assessment of technology readiness has relied on the Technology Readiness Level framework, which evaluates the maturity of a technology based on its development stage, from conceptual research to functional prototypes and system validation. While technology readiness level remains essential, it is not sufficient on its own to determine whether a technology is ready to be launched as a fundable venture. For a technology to transition successfully from the laboratory to the marketplace, it is equally vital to assess the maturity of the underlying business venture. This is where the Venture Readiness Level framework emerges as a complementary and strategic tool. Venture Readiness Level is designed to measure the progress of a startup from its earliest stages toward becoming a fully investable spin-off, one capable of attracting private capital and scaling sustainably. While Technology Readiness Level focuses on technical aspects, such as proof of concept, laboratory validation, and prototype development, Venture Readiness Level evaluates the core dimensions of business development. These include a validated value proposition, evidence that the market has a genuine need for the solution, a clearly defined business model that outlines a sustainable path to revenue, and a committed entrepreneurial team with the necessary leadership, expertise, and complementary skill sets. Additionally, Venture Readiness Level assesses the existence of a well-defined go-to-market strategy, including customer acquisition channels, competitive positioning, and commercialization pathways. It also considers early signs of investor interest, such as pilot engagements, pre-orders, or expressions of intent, indicating traction and market validation. By integrating Technology Readiness Level and Venture Readiness Level, organizations can align technological development with business development, ensuring that innovation is not only technically sound, but also commercially viable. This dual approach provides a shared framework for technology transfer agents, investors, and entrepreneurs to evaluate progress, identify risks, and determine the optimal timing for launching a spin-off. Ultimately, Venture Readiness Level does more than measure readiness. It actively guides the maturation of a venture. It ensures that the technology is not only scientifically robust, but also strategically positioned to attract investment, scale effectively, and deliver long-term value. In this way, the Technology Readiness Level and Venture Readiness Level framework transforms the process of technology transfer into a structured, strategic journey from research to market, enabling innovation to fulfill its full potential.
Thank you for listening. If you want to know more, visit us at 6saved.tu.